Check it out. Check it out. We got mail from Australia. Yeah. This is from Patty Joe Cooking. I always call it Patty Joe Cooks, you know. But it's Patty Joe Cooking. I'll leave a link to them at the end of this video, and it'll be down in the description box. Alright, we're going to open this up. I've already cut it open. But I'm going to tell you something. I've tried 3-4 times to send some stuff to them, and it's just too expensive for me. I don't know why. And I keep getting it down. None of them have been under $200. I may just have to send them an envelope. And maybe a sticker and a pen. Yeah, let's get this open. Alright, here we go. First time opening it. Oh yeah. Maddie and I got some Patty Joe Cooking YouTube. 2 different sizes. I may have to put one on my truck. We'll see about that one. I am a massive fan of Papa Texas and love all of your videos, especially Papa's kitchen videos. Of course, you're a cooker. Please enjoy these snacks from Australia. If you have not tried Vegemite before, please use it very sparingly because it is extremely salty. I have a video on how to eat Vegemite if you need some tips. I've seen a couple videos, I think, of yours using Vegemite. The chicken salt is a great seasoning traditionally. Put it on French fries here. Take care of up there, Papa Patrick. You know Australia's an island, right? Alright, well, I'm going to have to share these things. Check this out. I'm going to have to do a taste test with Maddie, because this is stuff we don't have here. This one here, Twisties cheese. Yeah, it's like all the life out of that one. Oh look, got 2 of them. Oh, this is pretty cool. I'll take a whole picture and put it on here. Shapes, Vegemite, and cheese. Shapes. Oh, yeah. Shapes, Vegemite, and cheese. Arnoids. Oh, I get melted. Carmelo Koala. Very cool. Got another one. Wagon wheels. Was I not showing y'all the candy correctly? Original. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh no. This is that Vegemite. That makes me think of Lucille Ball. Better be the vitamin. Probably made in Australia since 1923. Contains vitamin B1, B2, B3, and folate. Allergen statement contains barley and wheat. Come on, Papa. There you go. Violet crumble. It's the way it shatters that matters. And another one. This is all pretty cool. Got another wagon wheels. I got 2 of each of stuff. I got a question. Do you buy this little thing like this in a store? Or is this like from a... I don't know if they come like a bunch in a pack or something like that, but... Yeah, I'm not going to be able to smell it. That'll be an interesting video. That'll be an interesting video. I may just do a taste test with Maddie on it. Classic chicken salt. All-purpose seasoned Matani. Get it focused for you? So this will make another cook. Bring out your food's natural flavors with Matani, specially selected blend of herbs and spices. Check it out. There it all is. Goodness, all right there. Maddie and I will be putting these on our sticker board. We got a lot more mail in there got to get to. Some of them are 6 months old. Anyway, it's Papa Texas. We will see y'all on the next one. Yeah. Thanks, Patrick.